YouTube friends. Guess what I gotta do to my Jeep? See here, I got the cover off of it. I gotta get this horn assembly off of it. Get this center bolt, this nut off of it. I'm gonna have to change the turn signal switch. My turn signal switch won't work on left. I'll show you. I don't know if y'all can see it, where my angle my camera is, but won't work that way. But it works this way. I want to see if I... There you go. Let me tilt the steering wheel down so you can see. I don't know if y'all can see that, but... Oh, got the radio on. Sorry about that. Well, I gotta pull the steering wheel. I'll be right back. I'm back. I have to take this part off. Since my screw's kind of messed up, when I was taking this off the first time, I had to put some other set screws off in there. And I know they don't go with them, but they do fit. That's the Allen key set. There you go. Now I gotta pull this ring off of it. Put it all together because you want it to go back the same way you took it off. Now I gotta get to this nut right here. I don't remember what size it is. I think it's let me go get your wrench. 21 millimeter. I think it's 21 millimeter. Let's see. Yep, 21 millimeter. Break it loose. Mine's a little tight. Ooh. Hate Stanley ratchets. Let's see here. There we go. Takes the center out of it. Now I'm going to take a steering wheel puller. Get it out of the package. Find out what screws goes to what. Nope. Which screws to use. There we go, that's it. And these two washers that comes with a steering wheel puller kit. Pull them off in there. And drop the puller itself. Can't go wrong. Okay. It's going to take long, is it? Get the screws set off in there. I don't have to find the proper wrench, so hold on, let me pause it. These two are going to be either a half or, well, you can use a 13. Snug them up. Okay. Got them snug. Got them about straight. Now it's time to pull the steering wheel. I think this is a 5/8. Still recording. There we go. Steering wheel coming up. There we go. And voila. Got your steering wheel off. Now you gotta get this plate off. Don't worry about taking this plastic shield off of it. Some people I've seen on their videos, they took it off. This is what this tool is for. What you do, you just tighten it to this wing nut. It pushes this whole plate down. Then you get a pick tool in there and you start pulling that out, that little ring out of there, the little lock ring. Pick tool. Let's see. Let's go around it until it starts popping loose. See, it's already loose in there. I finally got it. Now we can take the steering wheel down. We get back down to where we've been working at. Take this back off. See, it's all raising up. I'm here to tell you that ring wasn't easy to get off here. Now we can remove this. You have to use the same tool to put the ring back on. There we go. Make sure you got that ring. Put that down there. The horn assembly. Put that down there. Now, gotta release all this. I've already been in the steering wheel. And I've forgotten what size tools it takes. That's got to come off. That's part of your lever for your switch. I think it's a, let's see, got a little flashlight. Torx. Yep, it's Torx. I'll be right back. I bought a whole set, so I don't have to guess which one it is. Nope. Can't see it because it's too dark in there. There it is. Goes one. Goes two. And I think the other one you have to, yep, right there. Got that out. This should move freely. Let's see here. Get the spring off there. I gotta remember how to take this thing apart. Chances are I might have to remove that CB radio, but I'm hoping I don't. I gotta get this out of the way. Almost forgot. Yeah, you got some bigger Torx right inside here. And this whole column starts coming apart. I'm gonna have to go down under and unplug this. So y'all got the idea. All this has to come off, and then I'm going to have to get this out of this little sleeve down in there. I'm going to have to cut this off, do some more surgery to it, and y'all can check back with me later. I'm back. This is all you have to go through to get this apart. My steering wheel lock is screwed. This right here, what I'm messing with is my dimmer switch, and this gets stuck. I'm gonna have to work on that. Here's the new part. There's Duralast. Part number SW324, and this is what it consists of. What you got to do, you got to send all them wires down in this little plastic little sleeve, which is right here. There's another person on here tore this back part off right here. Didn't need to, but he tore the back part of it off, and he I don't know what his deal is doing that shit. I really don't. You don't need to tear the whole back part off to get to that. You really don't. That pin back in there, that's part of your switch right there. And this right here sent through here. Like that. I'm going to tell you this, it just has to come off. This is part of your steering wheel. This has to come off in order to get this off. Just pass the plastic sleeve off. Now I'm starting to send it down through here. I'm hoping to get past this. I'm going to get down here and show you. You see down in here where these other wires are? I'm trying to get past this down through there without tearing something up. That's the key on getting this back working. Remember, you don't have to do a lot of cutting on this to get this to work. It's not easy. But if you keep working at it, you can get this in there. You see what I'm talking about? Then you can plug up what you need to plug up in there, and I'll show you. I can't show you really because I had 2 wires broke off this thing right in here, and that's probably what caused my blinkers not to work, or my turn signals. People call them blinkers, some of them call them turn signals. Well, if you be patient enough, you can stick it down in there. You don't have to tear nothing up. See, there it is. It's coming out. There it is. I got it. I'll show you right down here. See? I got it coming out right here. And now I'm going to start running all this stuff back together. See how everything's starting to go back together in the order which it came out of. See? Now, gotta get my dimmer switch hooked up. Oh, make sure it's back down in there. I need to get me another dimmer switch. The spring is broke. But I ain't gonna go through the trouble fixing it. Here goes that, and everything's starting to go back together. And I'll just show you there's an easier way to doing this. You just have to be patient and get it back in there, and it will work. And you put everything in the reverse you took it out of. I'm not going to go through that process. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.